Hey guys, Mr. B here again, making another awesome math video. This one on finding the derivative, derivative, if I can say that right, of y is equal to the square root of x. So just finding I guess I want to call it simple, but the basic derivative of a radical, which is root x. All right, so if you have the square root of x, one thing you should recognize is that we can easily rewrite this guy to x to the 1/2. Square root means exponent 1/2. So then I can use my power rule to be able to take the derivative of this. So remember your power rule. So for your power rule, what you have to do is you have to take your exponent and you plop it down in front and multiply whatever coefficient you have there. So in this case our coefficient is 1, so it's 1 times 1/2. And then we're going to subtract 1 off of the exponent. So what we end up with is y prime, so the derivative of y prime, is equal to 1/2 x, and then 1/2 subtract 1 is negative 1 over 2. So depending on how strict your teacher is, may not want the negative exponent left there. So in that case, what you can do is recognize that a negative exponent, in order to get rid of it, you have to rewrite it as 1 over. So let me just get a new page. So we were left with y prime is equal to 1 over x to the negative 1 over 2. So x to the negative 1 over 2 is the same as 1 over x to the 1/2. So basically what you do is you take the reciprocal of the base and you end up with this. And then that's the same as 1 over x, or root x. So you end up with this. So this changes to 1 over 2 root x. So again, depending on how your teacher wants it, either one of these forms might be acceptable. Maybe your teacher might be strict on no roots in the bottom. But I haven't seen that very often with variables like this. So maybe they might not want it that way, but if they do, then you'll have to figure that out. So if they did want that situation, then what we have to do is multiply by root x over root x, and that would end up being root x over 2x. Now I wouldn't think that any teacher would want that, to be honest with you. I think that probably the most useful form will be this one, with a second to this guy right here. So recap, so the derivative of root x is that guy, and depending on what your teacher wants, it could also be this guy with no negative exponent. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helps you sort out some of your derivative woes, and I'll see you guys in class. If you got any questions, please comment. Thank you.